So today I am going to show you how to multiply the two-digit numbers having 1 at unit digit. If 1 is there, we can find out the product of these two number very easily. यानी अगर किसी नंबर के पीछे 1 है, किसी टू डिजिट नंबर के पीछे 1 है, तो उसकी आंसर हम आसानी से निकाल सकते हैं. So let's see. If I take one number 51, okay, another number 31. See, these two numbers having 1 at unit digit. So we have to multiply these two. Okay. So to do this, we have to follow three rules. So first rule is straight. Second one is addition. And third one is again straight. Remember these three rules. So first rule is straight. That means we have to multiply these two number. यानी 1 1 जा 1, 1 1 जा 1. And second one is addition. Second one is what? Addition. So we have to add these two number. 5 and 3. We have to plus both of the number. That means 5 plus 3 is how much? 8. 5 plus 3 is 8. So first rule is completed, second rule is completed. Now the third rule. Third rule is again straight. That means now we have to multiply these two. That means 5 3 is how much? 15. So that's the answer. That's the way to find out the product of two numbers having 1 at unit digit. Okay, that's it.